I'm going to build a full 360 virtual tour of this house right now using nothing but my iPhone.
It moves around, and every time it spins, it takes 7 photos because it shoots in HDR. So we're gonna have this perfectly stitched 360 panoramas with no blowout windows. Okay, this is step 1. We are now in an apartment. We're gonna have a living room, there's a kitchen, and there's a tiny hallway down there with a bedroom and a bathroom that we're gonna shoot now. Okay. Once this finalizes, normally you would press a button to go to add a new panorama. Okay? When it's perfect, you can spin around, see if you like your panorama. If you're happy with my panorama, then you're going to press done. Okay? When it's done, now it's going to take us to the next step where we can choose to shoot the next room. You're going to tap the screen and open the living room panorama so you can see down the hallway, you can see the kitchen, and in here you can see me. Now, I want to go and shoot the next photo down the hallway. So I will just tap the screen where I want the connection to be created. And it says create a new panorama. So we want to go to the next room. We're not going to call it living 2, we're going to call it the hallway. So we'll choose from the list, confirm, continue, which floor. And now all we need to do is just to put the tripod in the correct spot. What we need to do is tap the screen, and now it's going to do those 7 rotations again, and it's going to have a hallway already connected with a living room. You're going to see it on the video on the left hand side. Now, once the hallway photo has been taken, the app will automatically ask you if you want to create a hotspot back to the living room where you came from. And this is so good. This is so quick. You will never have to log into the online portal again to connect the hotspots. You will be logging into the online portal to add info points, to add website links, and to add normal photos that you're going to take with your phone of inside of the cupboards, inside of the drawers, or the window blinds. Okay? Pay attention. See what happens there. It's almost finished. Now, there's a preview. If you like the panorama or not, you can check the ceiling. There's no black hole. We go done. Just to give you an idea, we are back in the living room, and you can see there's already a hallway hotspot created. Yeah? Done. Now, the system is asking you, add returned hotspot to living, because we took a photo of hallway. And we go, yes. So just tap on it, and now takes us to the hallway, and we just need to point the direction of where the living room is, and we will tap the spot where we want the hotspot. You can move the hotspot, but by holding on the screen for 2 seconds, holding on the hotspot, and you can move it left, right, up, down, yeah? So you point where you want it, and you let go. And when that's the proper location, you go down. Okay? We are now standing in the living room. We can go to the hallway. And now, all we need to do is shoot the bedroom that you can see in here and the bathroom. So, let's go. We are now in the bedroom. And what we need to do is take a photo of the bedroom, connect the hallway that we already have taken a photo of. And now, we're just going to tap the screen on the hallway to find the spot where the camera is standing in the bedroom. And we tap it, and it says, add a new panorama, or add a panorama from existing photos, just in case if you had some before. But we don't have any, so go add a new panorama. And now we need to give it a name. Again, bedroom, confirm, which floor, and that's it. And we tap the screen to do a 360 rotation. Now that the panorama is finished, we're going to check it out. Again, check the ceiling. If it's done, it's done. And again, the hotspot is there from the hallway to the bedroom, and the system is asking if we want to create a return hotspot to the hallway. So, we are in the bedroom. You see the camera there, that's where it was standing, and just tap there, create a hotspot to hallway, done. Now, while standing in the hallway, we need to spin the image around, because the bedroom is just behind you, behind us, and you're going to see the bathroom, and you're going to tap on the screen to add a hotspot to a new panorama, which we're going to call the bathroom. So, bedroom, kitchen, dining, bathroom, confirm, and let's go to the other side to put the camera in the bathroom. It's a pretty tiny bathroom, so I'm not going to try to squeeze myself in there. As you can see, the phone is set up there. All you need to do is tap the screen to start the rotation, and we're going to now take the photo of the bathroom. It's finished. Because this was our last room, we can take the phone out, and now, before we finalize, I'm going to check the panorama, approve it, again. Now, you can see, while standing in the hallway, we can see the bathroom hotspot already created. Do we want to create a hotspot back to hallway? Yes, or skip? Yes, we do. So it's going to take us to the beautiful bathroom. We can see the hallway, we tap on the screen, add the hallway, and we're done. Our tour is finished. If you want, you can also use this button for adding new panoramas. You don't have to go anywhere. You've got the list of the rooms included in the virtual tour in here, so you can either click on the hotspot or click on those photos to move between rooms. But if we're going to go to the hallway, we now can see that there's a hotspot to the bedroom, hotspot to the living room. We're going to go back. Our tour is finalized and it's finished.